Hello everyone, today we're going to be telling a story, but you are going to help me with all the sound effects. So I need you to have two instruments, the one we're going to make and the one we're going to find. The first one we're going to make is a shaker. All you need, so 2 paper cups, some masking tape and some rice. So pour the rice into the cup. You don't need 4 strips down. Now we're going to put it all the way along the side. Go over the join. Well done, Ezra. Now you need to go into your kitchen and find a pot. You got one. Okay, cool. Go and find 2 things you can hit the pot with. It can be wooden spoons or spatulas. What did you get? A spatula and a wooden spoon? Perfect! You have your drum. Okay, we're all ready for our story and we're ready with our instruments. So when I say the words, and the wind began to blow, could you all do this with your mouths? Ooh. Then I'll say, and the leaves began to rustle. Then pick up your shaker, yes, Ezra, like that. And rustle your shaker. Yeah. And when I say 1, 2, 3, pop! I want you to do this. 1, 2, 3, pop! Okay, are you ready? Once upon a time, there was a banana named Mr. Jelly, and he was fast asleep in his bed. Go to sleep, Mr. Jelly. And he was snoring. The wind blew. Get your shakers because the leaves began to rustle. Suddenly, a flower fell from a tree in the wind and brushed ever so gently against Mr. Jelly's window and fell on the floor. And he got a fright with a 1, 2, 3 pop. Are you ready with your sticks? 1, 2, 3, pop! Ah! Mr. Jelly got a big fright. He went to the kitchen to go and have some food. When he got to the kitchen, he poured himself a bowl of
Rice Krispies.
Rice Krispies. And he poured himself some milk. And the cereal went 1, 2, 3, pop! Ah! Mr. Jelly got such a fright he ran away and hid. After a while, he got up and realized, he wasn't in danger, and he decided he was going to go for a walk. From out of a plant, out popped a little hedgehog. 1, 2, 3, pop! Ah! Ah! Mr. Jelly got such a fright he ran away. Goodness me, said the hedgehog. I just wanted to say hello. What a scared creature he is. And the little hedgehog went back to his home. Mr. Jelly carried on walking. While he was walking, the wind blew. Ooh. And the leaves rustled. And suddenly, something very big jumped from the tree. On the count of 3, 1, 2, 3. Ah! Mr. Jelly got such a fright. Mr. Jelly carried on walking, and the lemur went back to his home. While Mr. Jelly was walking, he heard some very strange noises, climbed up to see what it was, and there he saw a very strange creature, fast asleep. Mr. Jelly heard the wind blow. Ooh. And the leaves began to rustle. And suddenly the strange creature woke up on a one. Quickly, quickly. 2, 3. Oh, bonjour. What have we here? Ah! Mr. Jelly got such a fright. The French-speaking forest friend walked over to Mr. Jelly and said, Bonjour, mon ami. Hello. Why are you so scared? I'm Mr. Jelly. I'm scared of everything. Oh, mon ami, when I was a little person just like you, I used to be scared of everything. Then I learned that if you count to 10 when you are feeling scared and you take a big breath in and a big breath out, you'll begin to feel a lot better and you realize there's nothing to be scared of. That sounds like a good idea. All right, we are going to practice. When I go boo, you must count to 10. Are you ready? Right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ah! No, that was not right, Mr. Jelly. Try again. All right, are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Boo! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, Mr. Jelly, it really works. Ah, good boy. You are very clever. Goodbye and good luck. I'm going back to sleep. Au revoir. And off went the forest friend, and he fell fast asleep. Shh. Mr. Jelly decided to give it a try. While he was walking home, suddenly something from a high, high tree jumped down. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done, Mr. Jelly. You are very, very clever. Oh, I'm feeling much better. I'm learning not to be scared. And he walked 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 and the wind blew. Ooh. And the leaves rattled. And out popped the hedgehog. 1, 2, 3, pop! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hi, Mr. Hedgehog. Hi, Mr. Jelly. Oh, this really works. And you know, from that day on, Mr. Jelly never felt scared anymore. And he knew that if he did, all he had to do was count to 10 and he wouldn't feel so frightened anymore. Well done, boys. That was fantastic.
Yes, it was fun.
Well done with your instruments. You did such a good job. Thank you for coming. We're going to sing a song. You might know this song, so please sing along. And all you need to do at home is play your pot with your sticks or your shaker and sing along.